Welcome to this episode of Custom Fab Garage. On this episode, we're going to be going over a wide-body Mini Cooper that we did a full audio system in. This is going to be our episode 11, probably our final episode of this whole entire series. So this episode is going to go into major depth and description and video of what we did with the whole entire audio system with a whole revamp. We originally did an Illusion Audio and Phoenix Gold audio setup in this vehicle, but we ended up taking all that out because when the Air Ride was originally built by the person that originally built this, we built all of our audio on top of that. With that being said, when we started moving things, they all fell apart. So we just took it upon ourselves to rebuild it all. So we ended up reconstructing everything for the Air Ride and for all the audio. So we did a whole new build out in the whole entire hatch for this vehicle. We also changed all the audio over to DDAUDIO, and we basically revamped a lot of the interior, a lot of the hatch. We did change out some of the head unit parts and things like that, only because it was ruined. So this video is going to go over all of that and show you guys kind of the process of what we went through of changing it from what it was before to what it is now. So the next episode we might make, I'm not quite sure, we might do like a full build series from start to finish on one video of the whole entire wide-body Mini Cooper, including the audio. So we're not quite sure if we're going to make that yet or not, but stay tuned for this video. It's going to be pretty much all over the audio system and the build setup in the back over the Air Ride.